Hello everyone, this video is for second call on University of Palermo, and University of Palermo offer courses both for bachelor degree student and also for master degree students. So I already made a video when its first call was opened and many student have applied in this university. So in this second video we will check some key detail regarding second call. So as you can see that previously only one bachelor degree program in nursing was available, but now more courses are also available. So they have also changed some language requirements. So as you can see that they mentioned that the second call for bachelor degree program is open, and timeline is that it has a very big application deadline, like it is started yesterday from 15 April and its deadline is until 20 July 2026. So first you have to apply on a University of Palermo portal, and if you get selected then you have to submit your pre-enrollment application before 30 August 2026. So what are the changes regarding language requirement? We can check it. So if we open this announcement, so here you can see that we check only for a requirement for the English language programs. So they have mentioned that for the IELTS minimum score is 5.5, and similarly for TOEFL minimum 72, and also they have mentioned the other minimum score for other tests. But they have also mentioned that applicants may be exempted from submitting an English language certificate with these cases. First is that if they hold a qualification obtained in a degree program taught entirely in English. So if your previous medium of instruction during your previous education was in English, then you can submit medium of instruction certificate. So this is one thing which is important for many international students. But if you have any of these tests and you have these minimum score, you can also submit it. Similarly, the case is same for master degree students. They have mentioned the new language requirement, and the timeline is same, that it is from 15 April. Second call is from 15 April 2026 to 20 July 2026. So next we check the degree programs, because there are many new degree programs are available for bachelor degree students. So we check degree programs. So here you can see that there are 4 courses are available. One is in economics and global markets, so it is bachelor degree, so bachelor degree in economics and finance. So you have to remember this number 33R, because later I will show you on the application portal it is difficult to find, so you have to remember this number. Then the bachelor degree in economics and international cooperation for sustainable development, its number is L37R. Then third program is industrial and information engineering, so it is for students belong to engineering background. And then this course which were previously also available, which it is in nursing. So there are 4 bachelor degree programs are available. Then in the master, if you remember that there are many courses are available, these courses were also available during the first call. So like courses in automation and system engineering, business economic science, computer science and artificial intelligence, cooperation development. So there are many courses where you can apply, and I also mentioned during my first video. So on my channel you will see that this is my first video that I made on Palermo University, and in this video I explained these things in detail. And also in this video I will not go into the registration process. I will directly show to the application process after the registration, because some students are facing difficulty in the registration process. Sorry, in application process. So I will show only the application process. So you have to open this portal. So click here on the portal, and in my previous video you can follow that video to do your registration. So here you have to go here on other services, and you have to click on student portal. Remember that this is many students fail to find this tab, so click on student portal. And again, if you have to do registration, then you have to click on second tab and you have to click here. And if you have already completed registration, then you have to log in. So you can also change this into English language by clicking on British flag. So you have to click here if you already completed your registration. and then you have to enter your username and password and then click on login. So after completing the registration and login, you will go again on application and click on new application form, and here you have to click on this first tab, course and enrollment application. Then you have to click on this fourth tab, enrollment bachelor's degree and master degree. So click here, and again it is already selected, so again click on next. Okay, so first question is that whether you have been previously enrolled at any Italian university. So if this is the case that you were never enrolled and at Italian university, then click on no and simply move to the next step. But if you are enrolled in any Italian university, then you have to choose you have to click yes, and then you have to choose your university and the academic year in which you are enrolled. So if it is your first time you are applying for admission, then click on next and after choosing no. Okay, so this is more critical step where many students have been facing issue. So first you have to choose your program. So my previous video was for master degree students, but here we will do this application for bachelor degree student, but the process is entirely same for both bachelor degree and master degree students. So click bachelor degree, and if you are applying for master degree, then obviously you have to click on master degree and then click on select, and next it will ask you the degree program. So it is a little bit difficult because as I told you that there are 4 bachelor degree programs are available and there are many master degree programs are available. So for bachelor degree courses, you will see in the drop down that there are many courses are available, but all courses are not in English, so you have to choose courses in English. So for example, this course, bachelor degree in economics and international cooperation for sustainable development, it is L37R, and similarly this course, bachelor degree in economics and finance, it is 33R. So we again click here on the drop down and we have to pay attention to these courses. So as you can see, this is 33R, this is the course of the laureate Rianali, which is in economics and finance. So we click here and then again click on this green tab, select. Okay, so then in this course there are 3 curriculums are available. So we have to click this, which is with the economics English title. The other 2 are in Italian, so you have to click on third one if you are looking for only English start program, so economics and global markets, and then click on select. Okay, so this is our selection. We have selected bachelor degree course, then the course title, which is bachelor degree in economics and finance, and the curriculum is economics and global markets. So click on next. Okay, so this is all the summary. Now you have to upload your photo here. So to upload your photo here, you have to click on upload your photo. So sometime it log out, so you have to log in again to continue your application. So to upload a photo, you have to click here on Karika and you click on the photo and then scroll down and tick this box and click on Salva. Okay, so photo is uploaded, so you have to go again on Portale Studenti. Okay, sometimes it's take back you to the starting page, so you have to go again on the my application form and you have to repeat the same process that we have already done. So new application form, or click here on the new application form and again the same process that we have already done. Okay, so we completed the process again. Now click here on create application form. Okay, so this is the last step, but it is also important step because many students also make mistake here. So here you briefly describe the reason for your application, like your motivation letter, but you cannot write it much longer. You have to write only few lines and then the space will be finished. Then most importantly here you will have to upload all the documents. For example, you will see in the drop down all the documents, so you have to upload document one by one. So first we upload the passport, then you have to click on attach. Okay, so as you can see that this document has appear here, and similarly you have to upload all the documents one by one. And moreover, if you do not upload the bachelor degree, obviously if you are applying for a bachelor degree, then you will not have bachelor degree, but a system will ask you to also upload here because they have some issue in the system. So when you select bachelor degree, you can also upload your high school diploma. It is not a problem. And here also you have to upload your photo again, and previously we upload a JPG or PNG photo, it was accepted, but here we have to upload only photo in the PDF format. Other format will not be accepted. So in this way you have to upload all these documents. Remember that last two documents are optional, but all these documents are mandatory, and you have to upload all these documents, otherwise system will not allow you to move to the next step. So I pause here, I upload all the documents, and I will move to the confirmation. So after uploading all these documents one by one, now I click on confirm. Okay, so they have mentioned that your request is in processed, so it is submitted. So we now go back to the home page. So you can go back on application and click on my application form, and as you can see that it is submitted. One more important thing, that although they have not mentioned on their website that you can apply in maximum one program, but if we check practically, then it seems that you can submit application only into one program. So if we click on new application form, and I click on course and enrollment, and then I click on enrollment bachelor degree or master degree, then click on next. So here you can see that they mentioned that we cannot create a new application until we delete the previous application. So technically only one application are allowed. I would also like to communicate that you can also book a session with me for different issues, like if you are facing issue during your application process, or if you want me to review your documents, or you are facing any issue during the payment, or you want to discuss different universities in means, so you can contact me for any of issue that you are facing during your admission process in Italy.